Hi, I'm just showing in this quick video that the radial arm saw is still a radial arm saw. I've got a corner bench project I'm working on right now for the dining room. I need to cut a lot of plywood boards to length, so I'm using the radial arm saw and I'm getting as much of its travel as I can get, which means I've actually got to start the saw up in the air, drop it down, and then cut across in order to get the width that I need for cutting these boards. So I'll show you an example. Always let your blade come to a stop before you get your hands anywhere near it. Just because the motor's off doesn't mean that the blade stops turning. Anyhow, I've got a lot more I want to show whenever this bench starts coming together.